Well, we're not sure how many boxes there are here packed, but looks like packed boxes by the shipper. There's probably, I think they said around 800. Something like that. About 800, maybe a little more. They packed 120 today, and this is I think this is the 6th day of packing. There's a lot of PBOs packed by owner boxes too. You'll see a bunch down here. The smaller boxes down there at the end. There's at least 150 or more in that bunch. And they've got boxes stacked up, packed boxes real deep back into the shelves here. And of course there's still at least 100 to 200, maybe even more PBOs packed by owner boxes up there yet too. So hopefully they'll start hauling these out of the warehouse here tomorrow, because I need to work on my museum. They finished a museum today, packed 120 boxes there, and all the furniture and everything in the museum I need to move in here, but I can't do it with all these boxes here.